Right now it's about I guess about 9:30, and what I normally do is exercise at night. Keep in mind, I'm able to do this because I did not eat meat, did not eat a heavy meal. I think I had avocado for avocado and bananas for dinner. Maybe I had marinated mushrooms. We gave out free smoothies and whips today. I think we had like maybe 10 people around 3 o'clock. My ex-chef Keith made a tremendous meal for everyone. And I ate some, but I didn't eat that much. Right now, I'm me, myself, and I. You know what that means? Party City. You know what it means? Party City. Number one, my body is super happy because there's no energy or digestion. Which means that even though it was avocado, it gets processed pretty fast, maybe about 2-3 hours. Meat, if I eat meat, 100 hours. If I had grains and maybe a vegan meal with oil and stuff like that, maybe 60 hours. Guacamole, which is what I ate, which was guacamole, avocados, celery, tomatoes, lemon juice, teeny bit of onion, no spices. Anyway, 9:30 at night, I just, me, myself, and I, so my plants, I got about 100 in my bedroom. I already did 185 push-ups. The thing is, that sounds like a lot, because I got to do 115 more, and then I got to do my 600 sit-ups. I just finished my resistance training. I just finished my 100 squats. Probably do some little boxing, maybe a little rock climbing. But it's my push-ups, my style. Which means after I do 115 push-ups, which is a total of 300 push-ups, someone will say, man, you did one push-up. Which is, keep in mind, I'm 73 years old. And this is my style. I have a rebounder in front of me. I don't know if you can see it or not. Maybe I'll take a different view. A lot of plants. This is it. See, I don't know if you can see it or not. What I do is I touch my stomach to the rebounder. I did it 115 times. That'll finish my 300. Next, I'm going to do my 600 squats, my 600 crunches. By my count, I generally put a resistant band, so I did the best I can. Then I get a little boxing because no one's home. I'm looking at clocks 5 after 9. I generally like to work out to 10 o'clock, maybe 10:30. Then I do my gasco in the end. And this is what I do pretty much every night. Number one, Party City. Me, myself, and I. And there's only one reason why I do it. I want to stay young. I'm going to rock and roll to the day I die. So if you're interested in watching me do 115 push-ups, stay tuned. Hopefully I'll get that done in 30-40 seconds. By my count, keep in mind I do cheat a lot. I mean, this is really good. I don't know whether anybody wants to watch me. I know we can see it. I try to touch my stomach. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 70, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 80, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 90, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 100, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. my second set. 115. My total of 300. I give myself maybe a 2-3 minute break, maybe 5-minute break, and then I do this. This is how I do my crunches. I shoot for maybe about 600, maybe 400 or 600, and I use one here, here. Once again, it's my count. And let me take some breather. Keep in mind, 9, 10, I'm able to work out because no energy room digestion. That is really the secret. What I also do, I use a rebounder. Rebounder is my key. Keep in mind, I almost have never a bad day. Rock and roll, living a dream, super excited. Rebounding. Rebounding, what that does is clean my, well, let me tell you how it works on 3 levels. I jump up, acceleration up. I jump down, acceleration down, and the gravitational pull down. 3 separate energies on a single plane. When that happens, all the waste that surrounds each cell is flushed out. Yes, I'm going to create T8 cells. That's where our immune fighters come into play. There's no waste around each cell. T8 cell has something called hydrogen peroxide, and they'll go to every cell that harms your being and destroy it. That's why I think it's so important to do this pretty much every day. The other factor is I never have a bad day. The reason being, all that gravitational pull down about like that tries to crush you. They try to crush it for the corona, they try to crush it for the money. They try to crush it every way they can. The media, the anxiety, the fear. All these factors that are put on you day in, day out, day in, day out, day in, day out, day in, day out. You rise above it. Even for a flash of a second. That knowing that you could rise above it, even for a flash of a second, stays with you. Which means for me to have a bad day, it has to be a really bad day. I don't know what that means, but it has to be a really bad day where I'm crushed completely, both financially, every way I can. But until that day happens, it's pretty hard to get me down. Keep in mind, I work 6 days a week. I pretty much do 2-3 videos, inspirational videos a day. I also send out inspiration words every single day. And I'm rock and roll. Anyway, 200 crunches by my count. Maybe 150. And then I jump on my butt. I do that 300 times. The reason why butt, believe it or not, every part of your brain is in your butt. Which means saggy butt, saggy brain. Which means I really focus on doing butt exercise pretty much every day. Besides squats, besides the butt exercise, I also do something called self-massage pretty much every day. It's 9:10. I'm going to do one more 2 minutes, and then I'm turning it off, and I'm going to go back to my regular exercise. Okay, I sit down on this. What I do, I don't know if you can see me or not. That's a bad angle. I don't want to get this way. I hold this like this. So, and my legs, they're by a band. Well, I'll do this. I'll do maybe 100 to 200 times. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 20, 21, 3, 4, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, at 165. Once again, I take a few minute breather and then I do my exercise. I do this 3 times, so it's 160 times 3, that's 480. The butt I do twice. I shoot for 150 times, 6 times, that's 900 times. Then I'll run in place on this, maybe 1,000 jumps, and then I'll do my boxing. I may do a little gym, which is in my other room. Okay, this is Party City. Me, myself, and I. I'm almost at 10 minutes. I'll just give you one run. This is how I do it. Do you mind? Just do this. And just jump up on my butt. The stronger the butt, better the brain. So if any part of your butt itches, it's located that part of the brain. Boom. What do you think of that, Santa Claus? Ready? On. 20. 30. 40. 50. 60. 70. 80. 90. 100. 110. 120. 130. 140. Okay, my friends, that's part of my routine. I got 3 more sets. Get up. Boom, boom, boom. Any questions? I don't know if there's any questions. This is what I do. These 3 or 4 times a week. Sometimes in the morning. Is that a better shot of me? Yeah. Is that a better shot? I don't know. I got my lion watching me. I can sit him. I got my wolf watching me. I got my gorilla watching me. I got John Lennon watching me. I got my cow watching me. And my frog. My other lion. Any more pets in here? This should be. I don't know. Anyway, this is live from my house. Rock and roll, living the dream. Super excited. Life goes on. Bye.